First of all, I wanted to apologize because these were in pencil, or they're kind of just hard to see, is what I mean. And they're both sideways. I don't understand why they're both sideways. I tried flipping it, I tried taking different pictures, but anyway. This is two examples of my written assignments samples, like what I would do during like what I would do during my evaluations of the class, my observations. And the one on the left is the second day because the first day was in a different kind of catalog type thing, and I wanted to show that I took a lot more like bullet point notes on everything compared to later on, like near the end, when I only took a few because it just kind of shifted to where over here I was not doing much. I was just sitting there for however long and just taking notes, whether it be for like 2 hours or the whole day or what it may be. And then over here it was I would take a couple of notes, but then I was pretty much on my feet around the class the whole time.